Hola todos, ¿cómo están? Me llamo Ashika Gund. My name is Ashika Gund and I am from Thane. I am a Spanish tutor by profession. I teach Spanish to all the age groups. I have completed my BA in political science and I have studied Spanish and completed level C1, which is the level 7. I have been teaching Spanish for last 6 months now during the lockdown period and I have taught 11 students of varied age groups. A lot of doubts and questions. I revise the topic if the students ask me to. I use a lot of visual aids while teaching. I respond to emails and queries within a short period of time. I like to keep my class interactive and responsive. I mix humor in my teaching and make the class interactive. Attend webinars and seminars and workshops with other teachers and professionals from around the world. Sulekha's eLearn gives you a wonderful opportunity to learn subjects with the most advanced means and from experts like me. It is easy and very flexible to make learning really helpful, and it would be perfect for all your exams, keeping your syllabus in mind.